Hey guys, Max here, and I'm going to show you how to take your look from one event to the next this season. First, let's start with special events. Social calendar filling up? We've got you covered from dress shoes to twills and everything in between. For drinks after work, swap out the shoe and wear a dark wash jean that'll take you anywhere. Lake Day calls for bright colors and moisture-wicking fabric that keeps you cool and dry from head to toe. Swap out the shoe for comfy and casual, pair it with a graphic tee in your favorite team color, and you're game day ready. Nothing says rodeo like boot-cut jeans, cowboy boots, and plaid. Headed to the movies? Swap out your shoe for something casual and toss on an easy tee. These performance stretch shorts and tees are perfect for a day at the dog park. A quick change of the shoes and shirt, and you're ready to tee off. A festive short sleeve shirt with jean shorts and sandals will have you ready for those long summer nights. Ready for vacation? Swap out the top and add a hey-do for the perfect packable, wearable shoe. Check out the Threads blog for more styling inspiration.